No matter how many times I watch, I enjoy a few episodes, especially the Johnny Lever episode. The one where he keeps forgetting things, prepares tea, and he doesn't even put milk, and he just brings it instead of sugar, he puts salt, and the way he prepares. It's about Shah Rukh Khan, whose father was actually mistreated by Dalip Tahil, Madan Chopra, and he usurped the property, he usurped the entire office. He actually took over because he was granted the power of attorney, and he falsely uh, misled all the deals, and that is the reason why Shah Rukh Khan became a Bazigar, the one who plays tricks, who plays with fire, and he swore to avenge the deeds done to his father and his family, because the father was dead in the beginning only they have shown. He died of heart attack, and Rakhi, she lost her mental composure, and daughter, like Shah Rukh Khan's infant sister, she also died in the rains because he came out with her to protect his father, who was getting drenched in rain. So all this left a very dark kind of memories in his psyche, and then he became a different person altogether. He befriended Dalip Tahil's Madan Chopra's two daughters. The first one was Shilpa Shetty, and he just faked, Shah Rukh Khan faked to be in love with her. And the time when she promised that she will leave entire house and she will just get married to him if his father doesn't agree, if her father doesn't. And the day when they were about to tie the knot, they went to the registrar's office, and they thought they will just sign the papers and they'll tie the knot. He just threw her from top of the registrar office, from the terrace, and she died. And this was all the trick he played just to avenge the deeds. And then Kajol came to know about his identity, that he's the one who has actually come to do bad deeds, to avenge. But when she came to know the history behind it, she was apologetic. She felt bad for Shah Rukh Khan. She thought that whatever he did was not wrong. But one thing I didn't understand, whatever journey he went through, two innocent lives he took, that was not called for. In the end, he couldn't survive. Dalip Tahil killed him, and he also, both of them with the same rod, they got murdered. I mean, they got killed with the same rod. And then even Rakhi survived. Kajol was in tears because she was about to get married to Shah Rukh Khan, and the movie ends on a bad note, on a sad note, because Shah Rukh Khan was no more. But songs are really, some of the songs are really catchy. Catchy numbers are there. It's entertaining. Must watch. 4.5 stars.